Okay, we got a Lincoln welder today. Seems like this is fixing it with your Long Brothers. We do what we gotta do because nobody else is gonna do it for me. So, guess what? I have to do what I gotta do. I got some things to weld. I'll weld them. We had one of these, and someone stole it. Broke into one of our tattoo shops, tore the door apart, which the door cost us more than the welder did. The door was over $1,000 to get it fixed, get a new door. Okay, this is a gas capability. It's aluminum and steel. It has the gas gauge here. I believe that's a gas gauge. Like that. See, there's a little. I'm going to leave the thing on it. That's a gauge for it. So let's see. Set it there. There's a line, gas line. Fits in there. Then it fits. Then this fits in the. And that fits into the tank. Fits into there, and that fits into the welder. And here's a heat gun. Oh, I should have bought some wire, but that's okay, I'll get some later. That comes with some. There's the little baby there. So why are we getting this, Mike? Why?
Yeah.
Because I want it. Now we're going to do some welding on the frame for the stabilizer.
Then we're going to end up doing a lot.
And here's the book. So anyway, this is supposed to come with, maybe it's inside here. Should be some wheels in there. Yeah, there they are right there. Let's see here. Yeah, this is for a smaller wheel and larger wheel. There's, and take this off and put a different wheel in there. Anyway, I can't. Yeah. See what this is here.
This is your Christmas present.
Yes.
This is your birthday present. 65. 65. He's 65 years old.
I guess I'm going to have to. Oh, you clamp them on there. That you don't do anything else. You don't put them in here.
Well, that is a little sucker.
Oh, this is for the holding the rod. Welding rod.
Nice. It's a little machine.
Don't need to be very big, I guess. I could
got a helmet too,
shock the hell out of you.
Is there gloves in there?
Yeah, there's helmet and gloves, and we already had some of this
brush
and that. And
oh, cool.
so anyway, got to figure all this.
So what'd you spend on this?
Oh, 900 and something.
900 and something.
$950.70.
And what we're thinking about doing is we're gonna be doing some welding on these pieces for here. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this brace here, and we're gonna put another one here, and just leave it in there and get it all fabricated. Do whatever welding we need.
It's
to do.
120 volt too, so that's we can plug it into the wall.
Yeah, that's good. You were looking at a 220. That would have been a little more.
Plus, this has the rods, it's got the gas, it's got everything. I watched the videos on it. This line's not very long.
But this doesn't need to be plugging in over there, I guess. Yep. Gotta figure this out. See, that's probably enough.
Here's your rods. Here's your rods.
Yeah, I think this holds a rod. Anyway, figure that out. This plugs into the I have to read the directions. Not familiar with that part of it. Oh, here's. I have some of these spools someplace.
I know that.
Looks like I saw it just the other day too.
I think they're right.
Here's some extra tips. Extra tips for those guns, those pistol feeds are expensive. For the aluminum, it's $240 just to get that part, which is, it doesn't come with this.
Did you get it?
No, I didn't have them down there. I would have. We're gonna have to order that online. Let's see what we got in here. Gloves. Oh, nice gloves. Helmet.
I'll put it on.
Put it on. Put it on.
Put it on. Show it how you look at it.
Got the different colored shield. I think those cops ought to be wearing these kind of shields
Cops.
when
Oh, yeah.
Antifa's using the rays.
Lasers.
Laser. Let me figure this out first. Or put it on backwards or something. I could probably go like that. There it is. Something like that. Too small. For my fat head.
It's all that hair. We're gonna have we'll put that V730 transmission in here. We got some welding and stuff to do. And we're gonna build a. Well, we'll probably have a lot to do actually. And if we took this all down to a shop and everything, it would probably cost us, and a lot of time would be involved on all the stuff we need to do. So if we just do it ourselves, which we're capable of doing it, may take us a little more time, but it'll actually more than buy the machine, right?
Yep.
See, this right here needs a bar to go across there from here to over here. That is for the brace that hooks to the bus. What?
Start wearing this to the store.
Yeah, I would.
Anyway.
Anyway, I was going to tell you, this brace goes here to here, and it's this right over here. And we have this brace, but we're just going to have to put it on the other side somehow, where that transmission will still go through there. So we got modifications to do over here, and we're going to build, I think we're going to build a something to hold this engine.
Auto darkening shield.
And we're going to try to build something that, well, you'll see in the future. We'll see what happens. That'll be interesting. So we can roll the engine and the cradle all around and then go put it in the buster. And we'll do it, roll it around by hand, probably. Roll it over here. Might have to concrete all this. Anyway, lot of crap to do.
Interesting thing.
And I think we're gonna find another cherry picker. I think. And then we'll lift this engine up. But we'll put one of the hooks, put one on that side and one on this side. And lift it up and get that engine off that brace, off the engine cradle. And then we'll get the engine cradle out of there. And we'll brace this engine up somehow. And tell you how. Well, that's gonna be fun doing that. Then we'll get the pan off, and we'll get a hole drilled in here for the drain, for the turbo drain. And then we'll get an oil feed to it. We'll do all that stuff, get the cradle modified, do some welding. Sleeves, yeah. One time Mike was welding on our property. We cut down a tree, an oak tree, and it just broke our heart to do it, but it was right where the house pad was going to be. And so we ripped the tree with the chainsaws, and then Mike made boards out of the tree and sanded it and stained it and varnished it and welded we made what'd you call those where we went down to the ground and made forms to mount the
I'll think of it in a minute.
it was called
Pier and beam.
pier and beam, yeah, piers. We did piers. 3 piers under that table. And we did cobblestone, concrete, and put cobblestone on it. And so Mike was
Pennsylvania cobblestone.
Mike was welding all the
Picnic frame.
steel and everything for the table. And I come out there, I see Mike welding. I said, "Man, you shouldn't do that. You should wear your mask." "I can't see. I can't." He had one of those masks. Helmet.
And I had goggles.
Goggles and gloves and everything. I think you still have those around here somewhere, Mike. Seems like those gloves.
Well, I'm not gonna. The goggles are for somebody else to stand back and watch, not get close.
Anyway, the next day, Mike's face was sunburned.
That night.
That night.
Same night.
Arms and face and hands. The face was the worst, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was terrible.
It bubbled up and he had blisters all over.
Terrible.
So, that's that story. We'll enjoy your welder, Mike. We'll do some welding. We'll show all that.
This is for the wire feed.
This is going to be quite a project for us. Okay. Till next time.
We do what we gotta do around here.
Yep, do what we got to do. Because we don't have a shop. We don't want to have all... anyway, there we go.